Welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will talk about one of the features that is Google Auto Suggestion Addresses for Address field we have introduced in our latest OnPrintShop solution version 7.1. So let's see how it works on the storefront and what are benefits for the same.
Google Auto-Suggest Address improves the experience by making it easier and faster for customers to enter their address while registering themselves as a new customer. It will be also available for guest checkout page, shipping address page and manage address on cart section to help customers to save time by reducing the number of returned shipments due to incorrect delivery addresses. When a customer arrives on this page and enters the first few characters of their address, Google Autocomplete will instantly provide a list of potential matching addresses. Customers select an address and the rest of the fields will be automatically filled. This is especially useful for customers on mobile where checking out on a small screen can be a long exercise in typing, misspelling, and retyping. In order to have this Google Auto Address feature in your website, you have to go into the admin panel. Store configuration, shipping method, shipping address settings and set up the Google Map API. To generate the Google Map API you have to link on this link and follow each step mentioned here. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to write to us at support@onprintshop.com in case you have any query or concerns.